Welcome to another video on my driving robot Mydfir using line following sensors, sonar and color recognition, and also lamps and buzzer to notify there is something being recognized. Last time I tried to follow the line track, noticed that I had to realign the sensors and found out that one of the sonar did not cause a reverse action when meeting an object. So I'm going to try things a little different this time, because usually I drive from here, that direction, and now, as you can see, I'm driving the opposite direction. So let's power up and see whatever happens. Also, I hope that the interface won't reset, because that has happened in the meantime as well. Anyway, time to start the algorithm. And it spots some object, but the distance is not clear. It says 40 and then 120. The lamp is shining, indicating the sonar, but it won't drive backwards because the distance is too large. Oh, and it says for line following 111, which means that it already has lost the line. So let me realign. And it corrects itself now. Yeah. So why doesn't it realign? And again losing the line. Yeah, and that's not the intention. And meeting with the tripod. So I have to manually interfere. Hoping that it will meet the line. No, it doesn't. No. So what happens now? It still wants to go one way only. Now, the curves are the more interesting parts, of course. And this seems to work. And then it leaves the track again. And it leaves it completely. So this time the distance is rather large, because it is about this distance that it has left the track. Or more appropriately, going in a straight line, it is more like this distance. This distance that it has left the track, so it doesn't even stop immediately. So how to proceed? I think starting there again with at least one object, and then see whatever happens. Alright. Now, program is still running, which is not good in size, so I interrupt it and I let it run again, but now with an object. So I will reposition it and then see if it makes the curve, and then here somewhere with 1 or 2 objects, possibly 2, and see whatever the response is. So, first of all, 2 objects. 1 over here, 1 over here. So it will meet with an object and will meet with a curve. And let's go. And this, oops. Really? That's not the intention. So, no. And runs off the curve, or does it? It autocorrects. It completely pushes them away, but then it goes for this object, it goes away. Clearly. But then again, this is not nice. This is, well, I consider it an oops. If I remove the object, yeah, it doesn't stop. That's what I thought. But then what does happen? Now it comes close here. And I interfered with the sonar. But it has lost its track probably. No. The data is still running. It comes here, close, but it still keeps running. So I reposition. It stops because of a line, but no. Not because of a line. Or does it? Yeah, no line. Distance is very far away. So let's reposition it. It's on the middle of the track. Go. It simply pushes them away and the left side responds. And the right side responds a bit. It does respond a bit. But I want it to respond longer. So, what I need to do is take a look at the sonar, or at the sonar algorithm. Let's see, where does it respond? Reverse sleep 2. Okay, let's make that sleep 4. And here sleep 2, let's make it sleep 4 also. Oh, and this one sleep 4, it is about the same motor, so I have to make this one sleep 4 as well. Alright, so now I will position it right here and run it and see whatever happens. Will it actually run into it? And more appropriately is this situation. Same kind of distance from the line. So with the new algorithm, a slightly larger distance in the middle of the line, and let's run. And why does it lose track? It is on the line. And of course this isn't funny. Once again a red light. Okay, quit algorithm and start. And that's not the intention. New attempt. Something is not quite right. For some reason, only this motor starts to work, not this one. And you see the response. It wants to turn around its axis. Well, let it run. Oh, it doesn't. Alright, then I do something else. I change the battery. So, let's see if that has a better result. Recharge the old one, put this one back on the line and go. Why is it directly turning to the left? Right now I just keep it over the line and it starts running towards the middle of the sheet. Now it does nothing, and all it does is this. What happens if I put it right here? Exactly the same. This is kind of crazy. And that is 4 seconds indeed. Why the change in behavior? Why does it do it like this? Makes no sense. And then this behavior. I think you might call this a big oops. So 4 seconds may be a bit long. So let's change that. So I will change the speed back to 3. Although I can go use decimals as well, but let's keep it this way for now. 3, 3, save, and put things a bit back to normal. So this one goes here. Yeah, alright. Nice setup. Go. Really? Not sure what to think of this. Not sure at all. Okay, let's follow the line again. So let's keep the objects the way they are. Might be interesting to see what it will do from here. At least for now it follows the line. Not quite. Then pushes them away and the same behavior. Rolling back. If I remove the object. It turns around away from the line, which is clearly not the intention. So let's put it right here. Alright. Objects. And again. Oh, it turns around its axis completely. That's interesting. So both motors that is something which I had not intended. Both motors should make sure that it goes in that direction, which means now one of the motors goes in the wrong direction. So how come? Let's analyze this. Left and right. Oh, that's a nice one, because which one goes where? If I go straight forward, if I follow the line, how do I go? I can't say it here. Because here I just stop the motor. And how does the motor go? This is color recognition, and it doesn't do a thing wrong. Then the motor, this is also nothing with the motor, with running. Here it's just stopping. Here it stops. So left. Yeah, but that's not the point. Where does it drive? Where does it drive anyway? That's a very good question, actually. And I made a small mistake with big consequences. Right here I have the if condition for D2, for D1, which is all fine. And then here another D1. However, if I want to test for D2, both should be D2. And here another for D2. And not D1 and D2. So that may explain the very weird behavior. Does it? Well, let's find out. I hope it is. So let's put things back online. This one as well. Something like this. Let's roll. Not quite as I expected. So the question is now, which sonar did actually work out? Let's go to the end. or not. Let's see. Yeah, that is no. Ugh. Okay, this is better then. Trying to find the end of it. Go a page down. It's following the line perfectly. Distance getting shorter, and here it has seemingly lost the line. Or has it? Going up. Paging up, paging up. And here sonar 1 is 16, sonar 2 is 14. Seems odd to me, because it really should be a very short distance that it shows that behavior. There you go, 11, 10, 9, 11. And going up again, where did I, right here. 11, 11. That is further than 8, so I have to go search further. Okay, this takes a long time, too long actually, to my liking. What I need to do is to make SG, or S1 actually, to put this as S1N for normal. And then of course this one N as well. And then here I think this is better, because if I have to look for S1 while S1G is S1 as well, that is no good. This is no good at all. Oh, alright. And here as well. And where else? And here as well. So then I have them both covered, and I hope that is enough. Nope, this one as well, and this one too. Is that correct? We'll see, we'll see. Yeah, save, and let's prepare for another one. And then I'm at the end of this video. If I go on with this experiment right now, I'm exceeding the usual length. I don't want that, so the latest fixes have to be tested next time. So algorithm changes, weird behavior, etc. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you like, much appreciated. You can also follow me on Twitter. If so, retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. Please show your appreciation and support by making a small donation. Or you can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned either on my website or on my website as well as with my videos. More information on my website. And this is of course going to be continued. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.